Behind me you see some of the crops that we've been growing for the last few years. Again, really starting in 2018 and 2019. This community garden, it's had several different names right now. It's called Love in a Bowl. And all of this food is planted, harvested, and put into meals that are delivered for free all over Imizano Yetu, which is a community, a township, a slum outside of Hout Bay here in South Africa, not far from Cape Town. They've been really devastated by not as much the health impact of COVID, because the death rate was very low here for lots of reasons, but more the fact that tourism is a very important component to South Africa. And so for a couple of years, there was virtually no tourism, and that really packed a punch here in the community. And so many people without jobs didn't have the money to buy basic food. And so this community garden was a huge lifeline and continues to be for the community. So we hope you'll come and take part in it sometime.